Ryan from Kimchi Market. I'm the CEO and founder of this company.
Hi, I'm food blogger Maddie from Cafe Maddy.
Pretty nervous. So we're going to talk about hair tail fish. In Korean, it's 은빛 갈치, all the way from Jeju Island.
Can you tell us a little bit about Jeju Island?
Sure, it's a big island in the southern part of Korea. It's a Korean version of Hawaii. It's known for fish, tropical tree, seafood, very, very clean water. So today, for the first time, we're going to talk about our fish. This hair tail fish is special in many ways.
So recently on YouTube, I learned this method where you can cook fish on the stove without making a mess or having it smell all around. I really wanted to try this today and show you guys as well.
Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, so let's see if it works.
Let's get started.
All we need for this is paper foil and nonstick. All we're gonna do is cut it in half. Pierce it maybe an inch to the top here, almost like you're threading it through.
I read it.
And then one last hole towards the end. Now we have 4 holes going through the middle, and you should be able to pull your chopstick all the way through. So when you pull it all the way through, you'll see that one end doesn't reach the other. That's when the other chopstick comes in.
Did I do
Almost.
Okay.
Yeah, alright. The key is to have the 2 chopsticks overlap in the middle.
Like this.
Yeah.
Even I did it.
Exactly. Good job.
Thank you.
So we're gonna start cooking with fish. This hairtail fish, it tastes really great on its own. So all we need is some cornstarch, salt, oil, and sesame oil. Should we heat up the pan?
Sure.
A few moments later.
So while the pan is heating, we're gonna prep the fish. We're gonna just lightly season it with some salt. So we don't need a ton, just like that. Then we're gonna rub it in with some sesame oil. Rub it in like this.
Okay.
Flip it over and rub the other side. You can also use some gloves if you don't want your hands to smell like fish.
Fish and sesame.
Yeah, tastes great. This is what I like to do with 갈치. Not with other fish. With hairtail fish, I really like it to be kind of crispy on the edges. So what I do is I take some cornstarch, just dip it just like this. And the pan is heated. We're gonna put some oil in the pan. Make sure the pan is really hot. This is when the paper foil comes into play. Put the fish under the oil. Put the fish down. We want it to just like this limp off. Alright, so we turn off the heat. The other side isn't going to take as much time. Nice, beautiful golden brown.
Look is good. Smell is good too.
Now we have our beautiful hairtail fish. We're able to cook this best free thanks to the paper foil. Now we paired this fish with very special rice.
This is our freshly milled rice. We just milled it this morning.
Morning, so it's super fresh.
Very, very fresh.
This is premium quality, really high quality rice.
Let's try it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Very good.
Wow.
Outside is very crispy. Inside is very soft. This is a skill. Good job, Maddie.
I think it's on the fish.
And you did well. Wow. So thank you, Maddie, for joining us and cooking the 갈치 with us today.
My pleasure. It was so delicious. I had so much fun cooking this fish today, and it was so good, especially with the rice.
Thank you.
And where can we get this rice, the fish, and the paper foil?
Everything you saw today is all available at kimchimarket.com. Everything from sesame oil, freshly milled rice, 갈치, the hairtail, and the paper foil.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Kimchi Market channel.
Thank you.